From these wonderful Galapagos Islands, one of the most beautiful national parks in the world.
Which is so far from the continent. It's over 1,000 kilometers from the Americas continent. And yet, these plastic waste arrive in this environment. It is mistaken for food by the turtles here, by the albatross, by the birds, and by the fish.
The Ecuadorians are committed to this campaign promoted by United Nations, Clean Seas.
Behind me you can see divers that are actually collecting plastics from the sea bottom. And along the beach there are numerous people working towards removing this pollution from the beaches. Join us in celebrating the World Environmental Day, 5th of June, whose main focus is to beat plastic pollution.